Assertions in Python are crucial for verifying assumptions during development. They help catch bugs early by checking conditions that should always be true. Use assertions to validate inputs, outputs, and internal states. However, avoid using them for runtime error handling or in production code, as they can be disabled, leading to missed checks. Assertions in Python are crucial for verifying assumptions during development. They help catch programmer errors by testing internal invariants. Unlike exceptions, assertions are not meant for handling runtime conditions or user errors. They can be disabled with the O flag, making them ideal for debugging, but not for production error handling. Assertions are debugging tools for catching programmer errors during development, aimed at developers. They can be disabled with the O flag and are used for testing internal invariants. In contrast, exceptions handle runtime conditions and user errors, always active in production, and are used for validating external input. Assertions are structured as assert condition, optional error message. For instance, assert len cache, max cache size, checks cache size. If false, it raises an assertion error with a message. This mechanism is active when debug is true, but disabled with optimization flags, ensuring assertions are only for development, not production. Assertions are ideal for internal invariants like preconditions in private methods, postconditions after calculations, and class invariants during initialization. They ensure algorithm correctness and data structure consistency. Avoid using assertions for user input validation, file checks, or network requests. Use exceptions for conditions that can fail due to external factors. In documenting preconditions, assertions ensure internal contract adherence. For instance, in calculate discount, we assert price is non-negative, discount rate is between 0 and 1, and his premium is a Boolean. These checks act as executable documentation, catching bugs during development. For public application programming interfaces, exceptions like value error or type error are more appropriate. Verifying postconditions ensures functions meet their intended outcomes. In normalize vector, we confirm the result is a unit vector by checking its magnitude is 1.0. This catches errors in calculations or logic, crucial for maintaining accuracy in mathematical operations and preventing subtle bugs. Class invariants ensure a bank account's integrity by verifying conditions like a 10-digit account number and non-negative balance. These checks occur after state changes, such as withdrawals, to catch potential bugs. This practice prevents internal state corruption, maintaining reliability and correctness in class operations. In binary search, assertions ensure the list is sorted and maintain loop invariants. These checks confirm the target, if present, is within the current bounds. Assertions act as sanity checks, validating algorithm correctness during development, especially for complex algorithms. This approach helps catch logical errors early, ensuring robust and reliable code execution. Using assertions for input validation is risky because they can be bypassed with Python's O flag, leading to invalid data in production. Instead, use exceptions like value error to ensure checks always execute, effectively handling invalid user input and maintaining data integrity. Assertions with side effects can lead to dangerous code. When using the O flag, functions like validate items and update cache are skipped, altering program behavior. Instead, execute these operations first, then verify results separately. This ensures essential operations are performed, maintaining consistent behavior regardless of optimization settings. The O flag in Python disables assertions, setting debug to false. This can lead to critical issues if assertions contain essential logic, as they vanish in optimized mode. Developers must ensure code functions correctly with or without assertions, as many production environments use optimization flags for performance improvements. Defensive programming with assertions ensures code reliability by catching bugs that should never happen. In the data processor class, assertions prevent repeated processing, verify data integrity, and confirm successful transformations. These checks document assumptions and make the code self-checking, revealing logic errors when triggered, thus enhancing code robustness and maintainability. Contract programming formalizes the relationship between caller and function using preconditions, postconditions, and invariants. Originating in Eiffel, it adapts to Python with assertions. For example, in sort and deduplicate, preconditions ensure input is a list, while postconditions confirm sorting, uniqueness, and element retention. This pattern enforces a mutual contract, enhancing code reliability. Conditional assertions allow for computationally expensive checks to be enabled only in development. By using an environment variable, such as debug mode, you can perform extensive validation like verifying matrix multiplication and checking numerical stability without affecting performance in production. This approach ensures robust code while maintaining efficiency. Assertions in internal APIs are crucial for maintaining code integrity. Private methods can leverage assertions for precondition checks, ensuring assumptions hold true. Helper functions benefit from sanity checks, while data pipelines use assertions to maintain format consistency. When you control the code, assertions document assumptions and catch integration bugs early, enhancing reliability. Public APIs require robust exception strategies. Validate inputs thoroughly, checking types and formats, raising value error or type error as needed. Document exceptions in docstrings for user clarity. Fail fast with clear messages to prevent bad data propagation. Use custom exceptions for domain-specific errors, enhancing error handling and communication. Assertions serve as dynamic checks in code, halting execution when conditions fail. In find peak element, assertions ensure array bounds and algorithm correctness. Unlike print statements, they act as conditional breakpoints, highlighting where assumptions fail. This approach documents your code's expected behavior, providing immediate feedback when reality diverges from your mental model. Assertions in production code can be risky, as they may be disabled with the O flag, potentially missing critical checks like division by zero. In contrast, test assertions in test suites are always active, ensuring test expectations are met. It's crucial to differentiate between these to maintain robust code integrity. In a data science pipeline, assertions ensure data integrity. The data pipeline class validates input as a pandas data frame, raising errors for incorrect types or empty data. Private methods like clean data and normalize features use assertions to check internal states, ensuring data cleaning and normalization are correctly executed. This approach maintains robust data processing while catching logical errors early. Assertions in development mode typically add a 5% performance overhead, but this drops to 0% in production with the Python O flag. Complex assertions can slow performance by 2 to 3 times. Profiling is crucial if overhead is noticeable. Use debug flags for expensive checks or shift them to unit tests, balancing bug detection with performance. Use assertions to check internal invariants, document assumptions in private methods, and verify postconditions after complex operations. Ensure error messages are descriptive and conditions are side effect free. Avoid using assertions for user input validation, essential operations, or in public application programming interfaces. Never catch assertion error in try-except blocks or rely on assertions in production logic. Deciding between assertions and exceptions involves key questions. Is it a public application programming interface? Can users trigger the failure? Can external factors cause it? If yes, use exceptions. If the code should work without the check, use assertions. Assertions catch internal bugs, while exceptions handle user or external errors. Custom assertion context managers enhance testing by ensuring object states remain unchanged and operations meet performance criteria. Use assert state unchanged to verify attributes like ID and created at remain constant. Assert performance ensures tasks complete within specified time limits. These tools are invaluable for maintaining code integrity during complex operations. Assertions are crucial debug tools, catching bugs by verifying assumptions during development. They're not for production error handling. Use them internally for invariants, not for public application programming interfaces. Ensure assertion conditions are side effect free, as they vanish with the O flag. Document assumptions clearly to enhance code understanding and maintainability. Master assertions for early bug detection and robust code.